I got something to say. I always have a lot of stuff to say, to be honest. I think it's getting to the point where my beard's getting too long, man. Should I shave it? Not shave it. Whoa, not shave it. I literally look like an earthworm when my face is shaved. Not a good look. Fun fact about me, guys. When I'm not wearing sweet-ass Denocracy merch, okay, I always wear my own merch. No problem with there. Some people are like, you wear your own. Yeah, this is a fun fact. I don't think I've ever shared this. I always have a couple of brand new crew necks that I bought at Walmart, okay? Just a plain black crew neck, okay? Look, this is brand new. Oh, I hate when it does this. There we go. Honestly, because for me, when I start to feel bored with life or I think I need something new, I've found that putting on a new crew neck, these are $5 at Walmart, I can kick that feeling, or it's not as bad of a craving to go out and just spend. It's literally that simple for me. In today's video, I'm gonna take a trip through my DMs from what I've seen in the past. My DMs are often littered with you guys asking for advice from me about how to be liked. Why don't people like me? I'm not liked. Like, it's kind of the same shit, just all asked in different ways. And today we're gonna talk about that. Let's just go to my studio. I feel like that's like a default. Like, I went grocery shopping 2 nights ago with the biggest sugar rush. I bought these chocolate almonds. I don't remember the last time I had a chocolate almond, but they're so good. That's enough of that. But seriously, chocolate almonds, underrated as hell. Kind of like my YouTube channel. One of the main comments that I get on YouTube now is how underrated my channel is. I love the comment, and at the same time, it's kind of like, what the hell am I supposed to do with that, you know? I can literally only tell you guys to come back every Wednesday and Sunday, or turn on notifications, which every YouTuber does that, and I think it kind of gets watered down. If you feel like we're underrated, then it's important that you come back and watch every video so we're no longer underrated. What's funny about that, though, is if, let's just say my channel ever does blow up, the people that say I'm underrated are most likely gonna be the same people that say I've changed. Like, the ones that say you're underrated are there to support you because you're like smaller, but then when you become bigger, they're like, you're not the same. So you can't really win. That's one thing, and today we're talking about that on a big ass scale. You can never win. Well, that sounds depressing as shit. That's a terrible segue. Okay, first off, let me explain the car situation here. I think my past 3 videos have had a different car every single time. Because I'm carless, I'm having to borrow people's cars temporarily. Let's just get that out of the way so you guys aren't like, whose car is he in? This used to be my car. For years, this was my car. Where was I? Oh yeah, always wanted to be liked. It is impossible to be liked by every single person. Get that idea out of your head and like half the battle is done. Now there are 2 things which make it impossible for you to be liked by everyone. Religion and politics. I was once told, if ever you're interviewing somebody, always avoid the topics of religion or politics. Religion and politics are what makes someone's core beliefs, and your personality is based off of your core beliefs. If I believe in a type of God, there's people that believe in all different kinds of gods, and then there's people that don't believe in gods as well. So that right there is something that a lot of people will often hold against you. Same with politics. Not everybody hates Trump. And already from me saying that, making it look like I'm defending Trump in some way, a lot of you guys are getting this feeling inside thinking, oh, Dan, you let me down. How could you? You know, because that's your belief, which is where you start to enter the realm of why people might not like you. Okay, so where was I? This sweater's kind of boring. This is another reason why I have blank crew necks just chilling in my closet at home. It's for this exact reason. We're gonna make a custom one right now. Yeah, so let's do it. I think I got the right materials. We need to figure out what we're actually gonna put on this sweater. I already know what I'm gonna do. This right here is iron-on transfer vinyl. And she's all done. So hit this, spits it out. Now we're gonna line this up on the crew neck and then iron it down. So we're gonna use a heat gun on low setting. I don't know if this is gonna work or if it's gonna burn the sweater, but. Oh baby. That is so much better, look at this. Oh my God, man. So much better. Now you guys may be wondering why I decided to do Mr. Serotonin. Here's why. For the most part, serotonin is the chemical that is inside your body that really attributes to you feeling happiness. So this was a piece I made this summer. It is a clown, but it's a guy whose name is Mr. Serotonin. At the time, from doing YouTube videos in like this stunty way, I felt like I had to be this Mr. Serotonin, which was this guy, a guy that wasn't really happy, but on the outside was. That's why I gave him clown makeup. Whether they're smiling or frowning, their makeup still shows that they're smiling. Sad looking guy with clown makeup on top. So I was feeling like a Mr. Serotonin in the summer. That's why I decided to put it on this sweater. I would rather a one of one than one of many. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you would want this. Let's leave this dark studio. Come on, you're coming with me. Okay, sorry. There's literally been an entire day between when I just finished that sentence till now. Now let's see if I can pick up this train of thought. The fact is, a lot of you guys DM me thinking that there's something wrong with you because people don't like you. Why are you so concerned about them liking you? Like you have something to prove that you're not good enough. People make judgments right off the get-go off of your appearance, what you can do for them, where they perceive you going in the future based on popularity, success, money. And if any of those things don't trigger something inside of them, well, they'll kind of push you aside and think, no, like I don't need to be friends with that person. So to wrap this up before going on to my next topic, because I do have another topic. When you look in the mirror, are you someone that you would like? Are you also following trends just to fit in? I know for a fact there's a lot of you guys that watch me that are so unique and so cool, like so cool. But a lot of you guys keep that in because you're scared of being called out or not fitting in. They're so fearful of going against the grain that they're changing their grain to go with everyone else's grain. Oh shit. That was good. That was good, man. So I think the answer lies in what is your grain? Which way is your grain going? What is your grain like? Okay, enough of this grain. At the end of the day, guys, as cliche as this is about to sound, if you don't like you, then how do you expect other people to like you? So for anybody out there DMing me, stop being so obsessed with other people liking you and start liking yourself, and you'll be amazed at how little of a shit you'll give at the people that don't like you. Give yourself credit. You're way cooler than you think you are. That's that. Now we have to talk about the TATI James Charles drama. Oh my god, we are talking about this shit. After seeing the video that TATI released, I went on Twitter and I shared PewDiePie's video saying, there's something about this drama that smells a little fishy. She's mentioning her vitamin brand, she's really talking how great it is, and then she exposes James Charles for a whole bunch of shit she already knew about. But now's the time to do it because the vitamin brand. There were some of you guys that were very condescending. I have an opinion, and just because I tell fart jokes or dick jokes doesn't make that opinion any less valid. I've been doing YouTube long enough to have seen drama come and go, people get canceled and uncanceled, and really the outcomes of those dramas. If you're watching this and you are all about the TATI stuff, you gotta pull your head out of your ass and realize there is 3 sides to every single story. She can't just release a video, make all these claims, and then you guys are just like, that's all I need to hear. Are you not at all interested to hear the other side of the story? That's why I tweeted that. You have their side, you have their side, and then you have somewhere in the middle where the truth lies. I'm not saying either one is 100% correct. This is a lesson learned for you guys out there that you bought into TATI shit, and when someone else went against the grain, you were like, whoa, no, you didn't see the video, stop, sit down, misinformed. No, guys, this goes right into what I just talked about. Express yourself for what you really believe in, share it, and you'll be surprised what happens. James Charles released a 40-minute video saying this is what happened, and he provided proof through text messages. Oh, this cancel culture is so f***ed up, and I wish it would stop. And honestly, the viewers of YouTube are the ones that are fueling that shit. Because you hear one side, you get all riled up because they said a claim, and you're like, this has to be true because they said it. Take 10 minutes to hear the other person's side, then make a judgment call, because what's happening now is she's now losing subs and James Charles is now going up. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If there's something that you guys need help with or you need to talk about something, comment it down below and I'll do my best to share my opinion on it, because I think that's what matters most. Is YouTube needs more influencers that are gonna help guide their audience in a way that helps their audience guide themselves, instead of saying this is what has to happen and this is what you guys have to support. Like, have a backbone in some of these situations. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy that. If you guys like the Mr. Serotonin sweater I made and you want that in merch, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.